こんにちは。In this video, you'll learn how to use the te form to give permission to do something. We'll also learn how to ask for permission and how to respond when someone asks for permission. Then we'll try some practice sentences. If you're not familiar with verb dictionary form, verb groups, or te form conjugation, please see my videos. The links are in the description. Now let's learn how to give permission in Japanese. To give permission to do something, change the verb to its te form and add mo ii desu. For casual form, you can simply drop desu. As a short form, the mo can be dropped. Te form plus ii desu is slightly more casual, but it still means you may verb, and it's still polite as long as it ends with desu. Now let's try an example. Can you say, I look at the textbook in the dictionary form? 教科書を見る. To say, you may look at the textbook, we change the verb 見る to its te form 見て and add もいいです. So you may look at the textbook is 教科書を見てもいいです. 教科書を見てもいいです. When we tell someone that they have permission to do something, we often put the yo particle at the end, which is used when you're giving new information, and it means something like I'm telling you or just so you know. So if I'm telling my student that it's okay to look at the textbook, I'd say 教科書を見てもいいですよ. Let's see another example. Can you say I drink water in the dictionary form? 水を飲む. To say you may drink water, we change the verb 飲む to its te form 飲んで and add もいいです. So you may drink water is 水を飲んでもいいです. 水を飲んでもいいです. Again, in natural conversation, we often use the yo particle when we're giving someone new information. So when a doctor wants to let the patient know that it's okay to drink water, doctor would say, 水を飲んでもいいですよ. Now let's learn how to ask permission and also learn how to respond when someone asks for permission. Let's ask if it's okay to take a picture. What is take a picture in the dictionary form? 写真を撮る. To say, can I take a picture? We change the verb 撮る to its te form 撮って and add もいいですか? So can I take a picture is 写真を撮ってもいいですか? 写真を撮ってもいいですか? Now, how would you respond if someone asks 写真を撮ってもいいですか? To respond to the question, you can simply say, はい、いいですよ, which means, yes, you may, sure you can, or yes, it's okay. Next, let's say you brought donuts, and someone asks you, can I eat one? 一つ食べてもいいですか? You could say, はい、いいですよ. But in this case, you could also say, yes, please, or yes, please feel free. はい、どうぞ. This way, you sound more like you're offering her to have a donut instead of giving permission. Now, let's practice with more examples. Let's say you want to ask if it's okay to open the window. What would you say? 窓を開けてもいいですか? To respond and say, yes, you may, or sure you can, what would you say? はい、いいですよ. Next, there's a box that says secret on it. You want to ask if it's okay to take a look at the inside. What would you say? 中を見てもいいですか? Next, you're looking for a seat at a cafe and there's an open seat next to a couple. You want to ask them, may I sit here? What would you say? ここに座ってもいいですか? To respond and say, Sure, you may. Please feel free. What would you say? いいですよ。どうぞ。Next, you're shopping and want to ask if it's okay to try on the skirt. To try on in a dictionary form is 試着する. How do you say, Can I try on? 試着してもいいですか? Next, you're texting with your friend and you want to ask if it's okay to call him now. What would you say? 今電話してもいいですか? Today we learned how to use the te form to give permission to do something and how to ask for permission. Thank you for watching. ありがとうございます。